Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've just received a package in the mail. This is a brand new and quite special antenna for my Helium miner, MINRPRO miner. And I'm gonna unbox it and I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit about it. So yeah, let's first open up the package. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and slice up the package. Open it up here. We'll see what's inside. So we have a little piece of paper here. As you can see, it's from this brand called MINRPRO, which is really great actually. It includes what I have ordered, and it includes a testing of my antenna, which I'll show you right now. Alright, so as you can see here, this is the paper that you get, which is kind of a certificate that makes sure that your antenna is working the way that it should. So this piece of paper shows me that it works at the EU specified hertz that it should, and that I will get the absolute best quality that I can possibly buy. And I think this is the only brand on the whole internet that will give you this certificate when you actually buy your antenna. And the reason this is great is because you know that this is made for your frequency. Okay, so this is only EU frequency right now. I will leave a link down in the description for the shop. But this is what I think makes this the best antenna that money can buy. But I'm gonna go ahead and open it up right now and I will show you the antenna. Alright, so as you can see, this is the MINRPRO. It is the 868 megahertz and the gain of 4 dBi. So you know exactly what you're getting with this antenna, and it's really good quality. I think it is the highest quality you can possibly get. And then I have a low loss cable right here, which is perfect for both the MINRPRO miner and the antenna that it comes with here, so it should fit perfectly. And there's a little heat shrinking tube that you put on top here to protect water from coming out. Yeah. But this was a quick video. Thank you so much for watching the unboxing of what I think will be the best antenna that you can possibly buy in EU. I am going to post a video once I have it set up to kind of show how my antenna is performing. So if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe for that so you don't miss it, because obviously a big part of an antenna is to actually know how well it is performing. It's trivial, it's the #1 most important thing. So yeah, if you like the video, hit like. If you want to subscribe, I'm gonna leave a link for the shop down in the description if you're interested yourself on buying this. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.